cracking like it's your boy Stry.D, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys 2 ways how to train without Sarge. They're really easy, fast, and they're really not complicated at all. So let's begin. The first one is survival co-op, the easiest. So you just go survival co-op and you go to LAN Wi-Fi, click host, and press start. Oh, and after you see that pop up, you should press continue. And there you go. Sarge is in here. So this is a very easy way. So yeah, it's really not complicated at all. It's pretty useful to train with this method, so you become a pro in online play. So yeah, second way to train without Sarge. The thing that makes this one suck is that there are less lives. So Sarge will follow you everywhere you go, right? So let's kill these robots first. They're into that. Sarge, come on, Sarge. And just because you don't have time to be dead doesn't mean you have to take all my kills. So now you just crouch and lift off. Now Sarge is gone. Please subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and also like it. Comment on what other idea or Minecraft mini militia and mini militia I should do next. See you later.